Guys, good morning. It's Liliana from Vanilla Canela here. Happy New Year. I hope you guys have had a wonderful Christmas and welcome back to my channel. Did you guys miss me? Did you even notice that I was gone? Two of my friends approached me this morning and were like, where are your videos? I'm like, calm down, they're coming. So I'm sorry I was away for so long. I had a fantastic Christmas and an even better start to the new year. All of the time that I was away from YouTube, I spent it with family and friends. Is there anything better to do? I hope you guys didn't miss me too bad and you didn't unsubscribe. So here I am. I'm back and I thought today I would do a vlog for you, but I would start in giving you a little roundup of what's been happening. So like I said, most of the time, I think we had one day where we were by ourselves this Christmas. Every other day we had family or friends over, so it was very busy, but in a very good way. We got to see loads of people that we hadn't seen in a while, so we made the most of it. Alex had a wonderful Christmas. He got his Kraken, the big octopus, if you guys remember, and I got quite a few little gifts. I'll insert a video of the gifts I got for you right now. So I got those little bits, which is stuff that I wanted. And I have to be honest with you, I bought my own gifts from Paul, if that makes sense. Obviously other people bought it for me, but I knew what I wanted, so I got it. And then my main gift is actually a chair for my office. And I decided to wait until the new year to see if I could get it in the sale. But there was no change in price. So I've actually ordered it now and it should be here within the next few days. So I'll show you guys once it gets here. So yeah, we've been having a brilliant time and Alex went back to school today. So he wasn't looking forward to that. He wanted to be at home. I think he got used to being off for 2 weeks. But anyway, Paul's also back at work. And I guess I've got some news for you guys, which is I've got myself a little job as well. Now, I actually started this job in the beginning, sort of middle of November, actually. But I didn't want to say anything because I wanted to see how it went. And I'm loving it. I'm basically working at Alex's school during the lunch hour. So I'm a dinner lady, though I don't actually make the dinners or serve the dinners. Basically, my title is Midday Supervisory Assistant. So I help out in the playground, looking after the children, and also sometimes in the hall where they eat. I help them like cut their food, the little ones, and give them water and try and keep everything, you know, from getting too rowdy, that kind of thing. And I have never done anything like that before, and it surprised me just how much I'm enjoying it. I really care for the children there. I'm not really a kids person, you know, I love my own child and I put up with other children, but actually I really enjoy it. It surprised me, and you know, if you know me, it would probably surprise you. So I am really enjoying it. So I work for an hour and 10 minutes every day. By the time I travel there and back, it's about 2 hours out of my day. It's smack in the middle of the day, which means it sort of breaks up my day a bit. I feel like I can't do much in the morning and I can't do much in the afternoon before I have to pick up Alex, but it works fine, and it means that I get to do what I really love, which is YouTube and doing videos for you guys for the next foreseeable future. So yeah, so those are my news. Anyway, I thought I would give you a quick update now that I have. I will catch up with you guys in a bit. Got to do a food order because we're running low on quite a few basics, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so I've been back from work for about an hour and 10 minutes or so. I usually have a coffee and chill out, which is what I did today, but I thought I need to make some bread because we're running out and our delivery is not coming until Friday, so a couple of days from today. So I've just made some dough. We don't need it until the morning, so I'm going to let it rise and bake it tonight and everything. I also decided to make some cookies as a little treat for being back at school today. I saw Alex at lunchtime and he wasn't particularly happy to be back, so I thought I'd make him a little treat, and I made chocolate chip cookies, but actually then instead of butter I used coconut oil because I didn't have enough butter, and instead of the normal milk chocolate chip I used white chocolate chips, and I added some little fudge bits. So we'll see how they turned out. Let me show you what the dough looks like. So it's got like little bits of fudge, and yeah. So anyway, I've also took out some chicken. I'm going to defrost that quickly in the microwave. I got some naan bread as well that was frozen. We're going to have korma for dinner tonight. And I bought this jar. I usually make my own, but I bought this jar for ease during Christmas time and we didn't use it, so I thought I'll clear that out and makes for an easy dinner. So all I'll have to do is cook the chicken and then cook the rice individually and then just add the sauce. Nice, quick, easy dinner. So I've got about half an hour before I have to pick up Alex. So I'm going to bake at least one tray of cookies so they're ready for when he comes home. I might do the rest once we're back. We'll see how we're doing for time. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So I'm just about to start making dinner. First of all, I wanted to show you how the cookies turned out. They are so delicious. I wish I'd added less sugar because I kind of forgot that coconut oil, it's sort of sweetened already. Even though it's unsweetened coconut oil, it's still sweet. And there's my little loaf of bread still warm, and I'm about to start dinner, and I've got YouTube. I'm watching Paige Danielle. She's great. If you don't follow her, go and check her out. And yeah, I'm going to get on and get dinner sorted. I made a right mess of this cooker, so let's get it all nice again. Okay, cooker is clean somewhat. This stuff won't come out, it's actually enamel scratches. And kitchen clean, done.